In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open shared OneNote in desktop app. Working with shared notebooks in OneNote is a great way to collaborate with teammates, classmates, or anyone you're working with. However, sometimes shared notebooks open in a web browser by default, and you may prefer using the desktop app for a smoother and more feature-rich experience. Fortunately, opening a shared notebook in the desktop version of OneNote is quick and easy once you know where to look. To begin, open the shared notebook link that was provided to you. This is usually sent through email, chat, or a shared document link. When you click the link, it will typically open in your web browser using OneNote for the web. From here, you'll need to switch it to the desktop app. Look toward the top of the page for an option that says Open in Desktop App or Open in OneNote. Click this option, and your system will prompt you to launch the OneNote application installed on your computer. Once you confirm, the notebook will begin opening in the desktop version. If prompted, make sure you are signed in with the correct Microsoft account that has access to the shared notebook. This step is important because access permissions are tied to your account. Once signed in, the notebook will load and automatically sync to your desktop app, allowing you to edit and view it just like your other notebooks. In some cases, if the option to open in the desktop app is not immediately visible, look for a menu or drop-down near the top of the page where additional options are available. The option is usually located in the toolbar or under a File or Open menu, depending on the interface version. After the notebook opens in the desktop app, it will stay synced with the shared version. Any changes you or your collaborators make will update in real time, provided you are connected to the internet. This makes collaboration seamless and ensures everyone is working with the most up-to-date information. Opening shared notebooks in the desktop app gives you access to more advanced tools, better performance, and a more familiar workspace, especially if you frequently use OneNote for detailed note-taking or project management. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.